Adani Ports down about 3 odd %. So all of the stocks where there's going to be some MSCI adjustment, those stocks are under pressure. So is the market, by the way. The Sensex is down 150 points. The Nifty down about 50 odd points. The advanced decline ratio is split right down the middle, but it could go either way. So just keep that on your radar as well. The Bank Nifty is very quiet right now, absolutely flat. Apart from the Adani Group stocks, it's IT that's exerting some pressure this morning. HCL Tech, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, TCS, all down anywhere between 0.5% to 1.5%. Even, steel companies, Tata Steel is down about 0.6% as well. In fact, metal on the whole. Reliance is under a bit of pressure, dragging its feet down about 0.3%. On the upside, what's holding up is UPL. M&M has signed an MOU with the Telangana government for some orders there. So M&M is up in the green. It also comes out with numbers later today. So that's reacting well. Sun Pharma, Axis Bank, Bharti, Britannia, Cipla. So it's a defensive move this morning. FMCG as well as Pharma doing well. Hero MotoCorp, Maruti are bouncing back just a tad bit. It's clearly the Adani Group stocks that are, dragging the markets overall. And in the broader markets, by the way, Paytm is coming in for some big profit taking as well. So 6% lower on Paytm, and Zomato taking a knock, down 4.5%. So some unwinding of positions is what we're seeing.
Well, that's right, Sonia. In terms of stocks that are taking a bit of a knock from the F&O pack, you have Voltas that's down close to around 3%. Margins disappointing. They're losing market share as well, or they're not gaining at least. So that stock is down close to 2%, but it's come off the day's low. United Breweries, let's see how that one's reacting. The EBITDA number was the disappointment. It came down by close to around 50%, and margins did compress by close to around 600 basis points. So that's opened up with a cut of close to around 3.5%. Lupin, well, the quarter 3 margins were at 5-quarter highs. Maybe the street was expecting more, because that stock, in fact, has opened up with a cut of close to around 5%. But on the flip side, you have Oro Pharma that's opened up with solid gains. Well, that's sitting with a gain of close to around 3% odd. The operational performance was good, and they've transferred one of their businesses as well. So the street has read all of that positively. And, Ekta told us that the con call was pretty okay as well. So, that explains why the stock is higher. Suzlon came out with a set of numbers in the final hour of trade. Small stock, there was an operational improvement. I think that one opened up with a gain of close to around 4%. So let's pull up Suzlon as well. But we have come off the day's low. It seems, at least for the time being, the market is in buy on dips mode. 17,770. Very important on the downside. For the time being, buy on dips has worked.
But the opening is not as bad as what the SGX Nifty was suggesting, right? Currently, the Nifty is down 25 points. The SGX Nifty was suggesting a nearly 100-point knock. So compared to that, and compared to the weakness that we are seeing across the rest of the Asian market, the opening is not very bad. It's a fractional cut, seeing